Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Usi Firis Fariga. I am from MNJ 22B class NPM 2241171. In this video, I will explain about capital market. Definition of capital market. The capital market is an activity related to the publish, offering, and trading of securities. Public companies relate to securities. Trading of securities, public companies relate to the securities they issue, as well as institution and professional related to recruits. Public companies related to the recruits they issue, as well as institution and professional related to securities. According to Bruce Lilith, the capital market acts as a liaison between investors and companies and government against trading. Investors with companies and government against trading long-term instruments such as bond, stock, and others. The capital market, a market for various long-term financial instruments, then can be traded both in instruments, both in the form of debt and equity, whatever issued by the government, public authorities, or government agencies, issued by a government bodies, public authorities, and private companies. Capital market function. The capital market, as a means of raising capital for business companies, can obtain funds by selling shares to the capital market. These shares will be bought by the general public, other companies, institutions, or by the government. Capital market as means of income distribution after a certain period of time. The shares that have been purchased will provide dividend or part of the company profits to the buyer's owner. After the certain period of time, the shares that have been purchased will provide dividends or part of the company profit to the buyer's owner. The role of the sale of shares through the capital market can be considered as means of income distribution. Therefore, the sale of shares through the capital market can be considered as a means of income distribution. Capital market as a means of increasing production. Capital with the additional capital with the additional obtained from the capital market. The productivity of the company will increase. Capital market as a means of labor creation. The existence of the capital market can encourage the emergence and development of the other industries that have an impact on the company productivity. The existence of the capital market can encourage the emergence and development of other industries that have an impact on the creative new jobs. Capital market as an capital market investment instruments. Shares are securities that evidence ownership of company. Investors who own shares in a company are entitled to dividends or profit sharing. Mutual fund shares, known as investment instruments that serve as a forum for collection and management of funds from several investors. The funds are then managed by investment managers into various instruments, such as money market, bonds, stock, or other securities. Not or bonds. You can also get securities in the form of bond in the capital market. Capital market ownership of debt securities is transferable, and the defaulter have the right to receive interest and repayment of debt at the payment debit at the payment period. Benefit of capital market for issuers large amount of fund that can be restored. 1. The fund can be received all the once when the primary market is complete. 2. There are no conversions, so that manager can be more free in fund on company management. 3. Fund or company management. 4. The company surface is high, thus improve the company image. 5. The issues depends on the bank become smaller. Benefit of the capital market for investor. 1. Investment value grow with economic growth. The increase is reflected in the increase in share prices which achieve capital gains. 3. Earning dividend for those who own or hold shares and also floating interest for bondholders. 5. Simulation invest in inertial instrument that reduce risks. Bond as a profitable investment product. If you're new into investing, maybe you can consider bond as the best investment product. Indeed, bonds do not have the same popularity as stock and as investment product. But bond can be your entry point in starting to invest that can increase your income while you are still productively working. Your income while you are still profitably working. As in production bond, an investment product that can be found in the capital market. Bond share debt statement issued by a related party, usually coming from the government or corporation, but can also be used by individuals from the government or corporation, but also be used by individuals. Bonds as the best investment product can also be applied for long-term and short-term investment. Long-term and short-term investment because they usually have a maturity time ranging from 1 year to 10 years, maturity ranging from 1 year to 10 years. Bond investment hold will usually be given a sign of ownership in the form of capital interest. If begun periodically, corporation, you will usually receive coupon that will given periodically. This coupon is proof or a sign of the benefit you have when investing in bonds. Investing in bonds, the advantage of earning stage income makes bond to be one of the investment production you can have. Capital market history. According to the book Effect Dividend, issued by the Everening for an effect handled in 939 securities translation had been told King, please change 818, but were conducted without an official organization, so that record of the transaction were incomplete. Organization so that record of this transaction are incomplete. The Company for Commodity Trading and Securities, Yakti Dunlop and Co., the representative of PT Perdanas, Presley, Time in Indonesia, located in Batavia, Jakarta. Located in this capital market is for the fourth oldest for Asia after Bombay, Hong Kong, and also Tokyo. The beginning of why the Dutch government established a stock exchange in Batavia, because in the early 19th century, various plantations were being built on a large scale. In order for the process of development process can run well, then the Dutch colonial government of records needs capital. Requirement capital will on the course of the capital use the that time was having from earning also above average. The name is read from PT. All video explanation from me. If there are word of sentences that are less plain to me, I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.